Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, I'm showing you a very dangerous kind of scam or phishing, whatever you say. So basically what happens, you get a text message like this, and there you see an icon, a download icon. So some people, for whatever reason, may hit and download it in their machine. It could be a malware, it could be anything, virus, something too dangerous. You don't know what it's gonna download in your system. So never do anything like this. Okay. Now the systems are smart and lot of such messages can be flagged, especially in good quality phones. But not every attempt is gonna be caught by your system. So you have to be extra vigilant too. Okay, never download such things unnecessarily, because a lot of scams and cybersecurity incidents are happening every day, with many more surfacing all the time. So be careful guys, don't fall for such things. Thanks for watching this. Please subscribe to the channel.